Hey everybody, my name is Julie B. We're doing this for Life with Lily, Pop Pops, and Nay. We are doing a star wreath. Remember me telling you that I had those little Christmas trees in one of our hauls? Well, these are them. Oh, let me show you what I did. Excuse the mess behind me, I'm doing laundry. So, oh shoot. These little things come on here, like that, like so. And we're just gonna pull them off, okay? That's what we're gonna do. Robert saves these, because he uses them on his train track. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to make a star wreath, and I'm fixing to show you how we're gonna do it. This is my first time to do it, so guess what? We're gonna be learning together. Okay, what we're gonna need is a glue gun. I have a plate to set mine on. This is as old as the hills. And we have pipe cleaners and scissors. And, oh, and this is if I decide to put ribbon on it. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. So I'm gonna turn y'all downwards so y'all can see what we're fixing to do. If I can get this off of there. I'm like, my first real crafting thing on this channel. Well, no, I did a Halloween one last year, didn't I? But this is the first one that I've done something like this. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here and place my, what are they? They're 14-inch trees. I guess that's what they are. Anyway, I'm going to place them on here with pipe cleaners. And then I'm going to spread them out to make them look pretty. You do want them to assemble to make them look like a star. Here I'm going to sit there and I'm going to use my staple gun and put the board that I'm using with the wreath. Now this is where we're going to spread out the and make it full to make it pretty.
Very Merry Christmas is a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry Christmas without old tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Very Merry Christmas. Oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas.
Okay, now at the beginning of this, I showed y'all red ribbon, mesh ribbon, but I went and got my white with the sparkle in it. I thought that would be kind of pretty. I'm using pipe cleaners here. I didn't really like the way it turned out, but I mean it's pretty. It is. It turned out pretty, but I just didn't like. I think I should have put this on before I put the board on. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get these fairy lights. These are solar fairy lights, and what I'm going to do, and I think I got put the wrong ones on here, but that's okay because I can get more. I got these off of Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll link it down in the description. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to work these around the wreath several times to make it have a lot of lights and make it pretty.
While the church bells are ringing, spreading peace, love, and joy. We're gonna be better, let's enjoy. I can't believe it's Christmas. Dazzling light, everything is white. Oh, this Christmas, everything will work out fine. We're gonna get along. For the first time in years, outdoor caroling. While the church bells are ringing, spreading peace, love, and joy. We're gonna be better, let's enjoy. I can't believe it's Christmas. Santa and his reindeers are near. Make sure the chimney's clear and witness. Oh, how the sky lights up, he's here. We're gonna get along. For the first time in years, outdoor caroling. While the church bells are ringing, spreading peace, love, and joy. We're gonna be better, let's enjoy Christmas Day. Keep worrying away. Not turkey, cranberry sauce in the sleigh. Snowflakes lead the way. Lots of presents, everyone is happy. Mama's looking extra sassy. Can't believe it's Christmas. Oh, let trouble go, it's Christmas. Oh, outdoor caroling.
Okay, once we got all the lights done, I did the motion on it, and then I took some Velcro and I Velcroed it to the front because it had to have light in order for them to work, even though it's a cloudy day today. This was filmed on Sunday. Today is Monday. So, no, this was Saturday, and I'm editing it on Monday. So, anyway, but that's how life is sometimes. I added some extra pipe cleaner. Robert followed me out of the house to hang it on the door. And you get to see my big turkey. This is the only thing I've decorated so far is my door. Because I'm not allowed to decorate anything else right now. I'm special.
I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all try this craft. It's fairly easy. I had some problems with it, but I fixed it. I remedied it.
and I will tell y'all all about it in my blog. Talk to you later. Bye.